Stability factor. It's desirable and necessary to keep IC constant in the face of variations of CVO current. The extent which biasing circuit is successful in achieving the goal measured by stability factor. It's defined under the rate of change of collector current IC, the collector leakage current ICO, and constant beta, and beta current is called stability factor. Stability factor are the law of stability factor is DIC DICO at constant beta base current and beta. Base current and beta. It's called stability factor. The stability factor indicates the change in collector current IC due to the change in collector leakage current ICO. Thus, stability factor 50 of circuit means that IC changes 50 times at much as factor as possible. The ideal value of silicon as 1, but it's never possible to achieve in its practice. Experience shows that values of silicon exceeding 25 results an unsatisfactory performance. The general expression of a stability factor for a collector emitter configuration can be obtained under the collector current such as IC beta IB plus beta plus 1 ICO. Differentiating above expression IC, we get 1 comma DIB DIC plus beta plus 1 ICO. So we called is 1 beta decibel base current divided collector current. Like 1 beta DI base DIC plus 1 S. So S beta plus 1 1 minus beta DIC. So collector leakage current and collector base arrangement assuring beta 2 independent of IC. So we should call it stability factor. Its biasing circuit, it should ensure proper zero signal collector current, and it should ensure that collector emitter voltage does not fall below 0.5 volt for the transistor and 1 volt for silicon transistor at any instant. And it should ensure the stabilization of operating point, and its necessary to keep collector current constant in the face of variations of the extent which biasing circuit is successful, achieving the goal of measured by stability factor.